Good Morning Crypto, your news channel specialized in cryptocurrencies. Experts say that Cardano can exceed the quotes of Netflix and Facebook. Shiba Inu leads the week's top 5. Bitmain stops operations in China. Facebook will launch its own digital currency in late 2021. Top 3. The rise of these coins may surprise us this week. Bitcoin ETF will be bad for retail investors. Brazil could support cryptocurrency payments. Experts say that Cardano can exceed the quotes of Netflix and Facebook. According to experts in the area, the green cryptocurrency of the mathematician Charles Hoskinson is expected to surpass companies such as Netflix or Facebook in terms of capitalizations. This digital currency is characterized by using less energy than that used by Bitcoin, which is why it is usually preferred by users. In no time, Cardano ranked third in the top 10 most valuable cryptocurrencies in the world by capitalizing on more than $70 billion. With these values, Cardano is ahead of major companies such as Slack, LG Electronics, and Dropbox. However, its price is equal to that of the Chinese search engine Baidu. For many specialists in the sector, the next Cardano competencies are the social network Facebook and the entertainment company Netflix. Currently, the capitalization of the latter is at 200,000 millions and Facebook is more than 300,000 millions. Shiba Inu leads the week's top 5. The significant rise of Shiba Inu allows it to lead the cryptocurrency market this week. Specifically, the 53% increase happened after Elon Musk's tweet. For this week, its valuation exceeds $10 billion and is expected to continue increasing. The second place is occupied by Coin, a currency that is located at a unit price of $0.0194. Also, Stratus is in third place, rising to $2.37. This crypto will begin a new phase of Strat token exchange for STRAX. In the fourth place is Beam, a cryptocurrency that registered an increase of 45%, which brought its value to 68 cents. Finally, the fifth place goes to Polkadot, whose price has risen to $35 in the last week. It is worth mentioning that Bitcoin continues in the range of $54,000 to $58,000 due to the thirst that investors have to do business with this currency, as reported by the JP Morgan Chase analysis. Before continuing, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss the latest news. Bitmain stops operations in China. The Chinese manufacturer of mining equipment Bitmain stopped its operations in the Asian country this Monday as a result of the cryptocurrency ban imposed by the authorities of that nation. In this regard, the company also noted that this resolution was due to carbon neutrality policies. However, the company will continue to supply other countries such as Taiwan and Hong Kong. In order to counteract the slowdown in the already mentioned Chinese market, Bitmain increased its Antbox mining container production capacity. Despite the recent refusal to trade crypto in China, mining operations are on track for a full recovery. Next November, the company will organize the 2021 edition of the World Digital Mining Summit, in which it will talk about green energy mining opportunities derived mainly from clean energy generation projects in Yunnan among other provinces. Facebook will launch its own digital currency in late 2021. Facebook will launch its own cryptocurrency in the following months. It is based on blockchain technology. The project will be supervised by DM Association for transparency reasons. In turn, it will be supported by fiat currencies such as the dollar, euro, and sterling. It is worth remembering that, if this project has the approval of the US regulators, it will be able to function as a central bank. Novi is currently working to develop the digital wallet, and the coin will be backed by DM's reserves, which includes assets or cash equivalents. This currency promises to be an alternative for cross-border payments, as well as continuing to promote electronic commerce. Top 3. The rise of these coins may surprise us this week. The world of cryptocurrencies is full of ups and downs. Today we will mention 3 currencies that can implement their value considerably this week. The first of them is Bitcoin. In view of its price in the last 7 days, $49,000 to $57,000, Bitcoin will give a lot to talk about for this new week, thus motivating many more purchases. In second place we have Polkadot, whose price has been rising to $38.77. According to the TradingView charts, buyers will have a great advantage with this coin. It is expected that it will reach close to $50. In a remote event that this falls, it could be at $38.77. Finally, there is Uniswap, a virtual currency that in the last 20 days has maintained its value at $24.55. For a greater increase, it will be necessary to bet on market will be bull, only then will it be possible to reach $36.98. Otherwise, it could drop to $22 or $17.73. Exchange-traded fund will be bad for retail investors. On-chain crypto analyst Willy Woo said that Bitcoin's exchange-traded futures fund can be bad for U.S. retail investors as it sets an advantage for institutional investors. For Woo, if this ETF is approved, it could become more difficult to hold Bitcoin. Motivated, the approval of a Bitcoin ETF investing in future contracts is expected later this month. Also, according to a Bloomberg report, applications from ProShares, Invesco, VanEck and Valkyrie are ready for early approval. George Soros' family office owns Bitcoin. Soros found CEO Don Fitzpatrick claimed that Soros Fund Management has made investments in Bitcoin. Fitzpatrick also commented that Soros Found has started trading Bitcoins based on anonymous sources. Cryptocurrencies now have a market capitalization of more than $2 trillion. There are 200 million users around the world. Additionally, he noted that central bank CBDC digital currencies will be on the market faster than people expect. Finally, he assured that the digital yuan will be a potential threat to other Bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies, but I do not think they will succeed in permanently destabilizing Bitcoin. Other companies that have also done business with Bitcoin include Steve Cohen's Point72 Asset Management and Dan Loeb's Third Point Fund. Brazil could support cryptocurrency payments. Deputy Oriol Ribeiro presented a bill to implement payments in cryptocurrencies, a measure that exists in the rest of the world, but is still unknown within the Latin American country. Ribeiro's proposal contemplates the regulation of virtual assets. According to the congressman, in this way financial crimes can be avoided. In addition, he pointed out that for those who practice crimes such as money laundering, penalties of 4 years in prison will be imposed, as well as fines of 2/3 for the laundered assets. For these crypto assets to be protected, it will be necessary to work with the Securities and Exchange Commission and the Brazilian Central Bank, thus they can be established as coins. This project was approved by a committee of the Chamber of Deputies on September 29. Now it will only be necessary to submit it to the entire Congress for the vote. If approved as a payment currency, both citizens and investors will be able to carry out their operations with complete confidence. That's all for today. If you like the video, give it a like to support the channel and see you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe.